Hey, baby Jesus, here comes some shit.
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 Shit. Shit. Shit.
Shit.
Shit.
Shit!
I think I can do that better.
Oh, Jesus.
Here, Juice. Load that thing. Stop! Chips.
Sorry,
Get
Tommy.
We gonna do that again.
Hi, camera.
Oh, well, that's not good.
Now, Ron, can you put on your seatbelt?
Put on your seatbelt.
Jesus Christ, I'm playing a biker here.
Talk about your cooking. Treat yourself.
Stay looking at him.
What's this? You want another cookie? I feel you, bro.
Background, action.
Let's start again.
Reset. Bent over the bar and he shoved it in my stool.
I don't ain't wanna guess. I don't ain't wanna. Ain't wanna.
Ain't wanna do nothing like that.
I did a spick pimp.
Yeah, and I did a cracker MILF. Yeah, and I did a crack.
But there has to be a part of you. There has to be a part of you that knows that. Oh, you know.
I think something's supposed to happen now. Knock, knock. Hello?
Yeah.
Got a minute? For what? Last piece of the putt.
I'm sorry.
We can get copies.
It's not the same as the original.
Jesus Christ, there's no fucking reason to cry over it, for Christ's sake.
Hey, you!
We don't have all day. Just gonna stand there.
Gonna stand there with your sheet on, looking all Roman goddess. As long as these attacks keep happening. All that shit flowing outward and hang on.
Let's go to the... Let's go. Let's go.
Great, and reset. I gotta tell you something, I got enough gas to get to Pittsburgh right now. Stop laughing at me, all right? You know, I never acted before. Brilliant, reset. Reset, one more. They're rolling. One more, reset. Rolling again.
Oh, my God.
Yeah.
To carry us out after this scene.
Couldn't help myself. Couldn't help myself. It's called Tourette's or some fucking thing. I don't know.
Look, no hands. Here we go.
Me neither.
Hang on, just give me a second.
Look, no brain.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ!
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
Jesus.
Jesus.
Jesus! Yeah!